TV.
Hello there, Timothy. How are you?
I'm very, very good.
Very good.
I think you can tell how good I am.
I am actually, yeah. Standing right up today.
I'm standing right up there,
Exactly.
nice and full and proud.
Exactly.
So here we are on Fussels TV once again, and today, with the help of Mr. Melican himself, it's me and the Melican, and I think we're going to do some roast lamb.
We are a bit of roast lamb today.
So,
yeah.
just before we talk about the roast lamb, I know we're going to be using the oil, the rapeseed oil.
We are,
so you can go and put that over with your ingredients. And also we're going to be using the watercress dressing.
Exactly, yeah.
There we are.
So we've got watercress salad going as well.
Okay, so take it away.
So today, Tim, obviously we're in end of the asparagus season today. We're going to get some roast rump of lamb and some butter, a bit of cumin. Nice simple salad.
I do love a bit of lamb.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. So what I'm going to get you to do today, Timothy.
What am I going to do?
You're going to do some work, mate.
I'm going to do some work. Well, funny enough, that's what I'm here for.
So what we're going to do, get things...
Am I chiffonading or am I...
No, you're not. You're rapping today.
I'm rapping today.
This is going to get some practice for the Christmas presents that you're going to get me this year, yeah?
Okay, right, okay, fine.
So what we're going to do, we're going to wrap these asparagus, and we're going to pop them like that so you get the hard bit off. So that goes over
let
here.
me just have a little... Oh, look at that. Wow.
That's it, yeah?
Look at that.
And what we're going to do, we're going to wrap these in here. So what we're going to do is lay 2 of these down. There's 2 pieces of pound ham.
Yeah.
And just simply wrap it up. Can you do that?
Well, let me have a go. Let me see what I do.
So while you're doing that, Tim, I'm going to get this lamb out.
Yeah.
And basically, we've got roast rump of lamb today. This comes off the leg. It's just off the top part of the leg of the lamb. And it's a nice cut. You've got to cook it, but you've got to rest it really, really well.
Have you?
Yeah, exactly. Have you had rump before? I'm assuming you probably have.
Yes, I have. John.
Brilliant,
Yes,
okay.
I have.
So normally when you have lamb as well, Tim, you have a skin on the top of it as well, on top of the fat here.
Yeah.
On lamb, which is obviously, when you cook it, it's shriveled up, so you need to get this skin off. I prepared that already.
Yeah.
Okay, so we put it in the pan. We put it in a cold pan. Okay, the reason why that is so it renders.
Now, rendering, what does rendering mean again? Because we've used this expression before, haven't we?
Well, cold pan, like duck fat and things like this,
yeah.
you render the fat off the actual, usually there's no fat in this pan, the only fat we're going to use is the lamb fat.
Is the
render,
right,
exactly,
okay.
yes. So what we do, we've got to start it in a cold pan, so we'll get this cooking up, so we can get a sizzle going on. Okay, so we've got that going on, bit of salt, bit of pepper, yeah? And how are we getting on there?
How's my wrapping going there, Luke? How's that?
I can hear it now, yeah.
How's that?
It's brilliant.
Is that brilliant?
Yeah, it's alright, it's alright. So we're going to push this down a little bit, yeah?
It's brilliant or alright?
Brilliant, it's alright. It's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright.
So
push it down.
Push it down.
This is all going to be in 1 pound, yeah? So what we're going to do is literally, you see the smoke now?
Yeah.
We'll turn this down a little bit. Just so that we don't see the fire brigade today.
We don't want the fire brigade.
No, we don't.
We won't put that on because it's because that makes.
So now we've got this smoke.
So and how long are we gonna? We're gonna
cook this now till it's golden brown, yeah.
Okay.
Golden brown, and we're gonna cook this pound ham in there as well. So it's both things together. So it's 1 pound, quite simple.
Yep.
Going from work. Put pan on, lamb straight in. You don't even need to get the pan hot really, just get it going. Obviously the smoke indicates it's getting hot.
Well, and we've put some salt in there.
Yeah, a little bit of salt, not too much because the pan ham's quite salty. So you can see the colour on the pan ham.
Yeah, and I can see the asparagus.
And that's getting
greening
cold
up
as well. Yeah, so that's beautiful.
Alright,
so now we're going to get that in there. Yeah, very simple. So we seal both sides a little bit, yeah, like that. Use my hands, yeah. So, and that's it. And then what we do now, a little bit of butter now, okay. Now I've diced this about 1 centimetre dice.
Okay.
Now the reason I've done it 1 centimetre dice, it cooks all at the same time.
That's right.
Okay.
Yep.
So basically, I'm going to put all this in here.
Yep.
Okay. Little bit of butter. Now spread it equally. Okay. No more salt. That's all done. Did you get the?
What else have we got there?
And then. What we're going to do now, Tim, we're going to pop a little bit of cumin in there.
Ooh.
Cumin goes really well with butternut and especially with lamb, yeah? So we're going to roll that around, nice hot pan, and then we're going to put it in the oven about 180.
Okay.
For about, I reckon that lamb will take probably about 8 minutes.
That's all.
8 minutes.
So all of this is going to cook at the same time now. We're going to put all of this into the oven at 180.
Exactly, yeah. 180 in the oven. Basically 8 minutes, we check the lamb, and if everything is...
And we're looking for that lamb to be quite red in the middle there,
we want it pink in the middle.
Yeah.
It's a rump, at the end of the day, so, you don't want it well done. Well, you can have it well done if you like, alright? So, let's put that in there now, yeah? Okay. And then we'll put that in there, alright? So that goes in there, that goes in the oven. So, obviously 5 minutes later, fast forward.
There we go.
So, what we've got is literally that. So let's just pour this out here, put this in here. So what we've done, Tim, is we've got the lamb, which is cooked.
Yeah.
The actual lamb took actually a little bit less than the actual butternut, but
Yeah.
pretty much it was like 10 minutes all day. And this is nicely cooked now and cured down, so it's still the Parma ham. You could use this incidentally as a starter with a poached egg, maybe. If
I can see that.
Do you know what I mean?
As a
That's some
starter,
butter, yeah.
Okay.
So now
and now we're going to prepare a salad to go with this, are we?
yeah, exactly, Tim. That's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to get a bowl. Okay, very simple. Okay, a little bowl in here, and we're going to put some nice watercress in here. Okay.
I do have to have watercress.
Yeah. And then a little bit of onion. They only give it a nice bit.
So we've got some red onion there.
Red onion, yeah. Finely diced.
Finely diced.
The reason why we finely dice it, Tim, is mainly because when we bite it, we get a bite of onion every time we eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we do big chunks, then obviously we're going to get big chunks of onion, which we don't want really. Now we've got this Parma ham. We could literally keep this whole as a starter, but what we're going to do here today, we're just going to cut it down to little bits like that. 1, 2, and we'll take the ends off like that. Yeah. So that will go incorporate that into the salad as well.
Right.
We'll put the butternut in here as well.
Into the salad.
Into the salad, yeah.
Okay.
And we've got all these juices here as well. You see all the
All
juices,
going to go into the salad.
So we'll put all this in here, yeah. Wow, lovely. Yeah, amazing. So now I'm going to cut this lamb up, and hopefully. I'm saying hopefully, I know so.
I know so.
It's going to be nice and
Oh
pink.
my goodness gracious me, look at that. That's
Yeah, nice
absolutely-
and pink, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll cut this again nice and fine. So once you have like a nice spoonful of salad, you want a bit of lamb in it every time.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you cut it nice and fine. Okay, a little bit in there, just nice and fine. Yeah, nice simple salad. You know, you could have a barbecue night in the summer. You know, just a nice. You don't need to put the lamb in there, Tim. Not really. But I'm just doing this because you like lamb.
I do like lamb, and I'm loving all the. So we're going to put all that in.
Put all that in there,
Mix
yeah.
it all in.
Mix it all in.
Okay.
Lovely.
Fine.
And we'll put the asparagus in there as well.
Yeah.
So we'll put them on the top actually. Real nice with it, yeah.
Yeah.
And then a little bit of watercress, yeah.
And we're going to dress that through with some watercress.
Yeah,
Now,
easy
just
bits,
whilst you're doing that, it's worth saying that this today what we're going to do is we have a cookery book that is available that we've done through the Taste of the West. All right, and I will get that for you in a second. Let me see if I can magic that cookery book up out of somewhere. Here it comes. There we are. Thank you very much, Mr. Director. So here's the cookery book that we did with the Taste of the West last year, and we're actually going to go off and do another one this week. But what we decided to do today was for the first 10 comments on our YouTube channel with regard to this specific recipe, we are going to send you a copy of this book completely free of charge. Okay, so that's something you need to think about. That's something you need to do. We're going to pop that back over there. John is
Now we've got a nice salad, Daisy. It's nice and pink. It's still quite warm.
Right, well I'm going to get some knives and forks out.
Amazing. You get knives and forks, butternut, nice little bit of salad on there. Yeah, nicely dressed. Obviously, Tim, you're on the. I was checking your website recently. You're doing a lot of running at the moment, aren't you?
I am, but this is all. There's nothing in here that I can't eat. John.
Absolutely, yes. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you less, Tim, because I know
you're going to give me less.
So yeah, how simple is that?
How simple is that? And now we're going to put a little
bit
bit
of Parma on there.
Oh my goodness gracious me!
And this gives it a nice bit of saltiness as well.
Yeah.
I mean, I think also this could be quite nice with anchovies as well, maybe. You know, give it a bit of saltiness.
And I think again, what you've demonstrated is this is the variation. You can put these things together and come up with flavours.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what I do tend to worry about sometimes is I think, well, what am I going to put this with, and what am I going to put that with?
Exactly.
Don't be frightened. Get stuck in.
Yeah, exactly.
So
if you don't do it, you don't know.
We're done here now, are we?
This is very simple salad. That's a great thing about the summer, Tim. Everything's simple.
Right, now just before we get started
Yeah.
here, one thing I haven't done already today is just mention our website, www.fusselsfinefoods.co.uk, where the ingredients that we've been using today are available, all available online. And if you go over to our stockist page, you can find out where your nearest stockist is as well. And in regard to me and the American here, Johnny's website is johnnysdairyfreeicecream.com, where you can find out all.
And we're getting into retail, but we'll talk about that.
We'll talk about that another time. So now we can get stuck into this, can we?
Yeah, crack on, Tim. Yeah, lovely. That pink should be nicely rested, and well, it's obviously nicely cooked. It's nice and pink. Yeah, lovely.
It is very nice.
Is it? Lovely. Again, another satisfied customer.
Well,
Brilliant. Very simple, yeah. Lovely. Amazing.
I always put too much in. Now stop doing that. Stop doing that. I'm going to have that one.
Amazing. Go on.
So please go on over, follow us on all our social media platforms, and this one recipe will be up very, very soon on our website. So that's all from me and the American today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.